Unboxing the SmittyBilt air compressor, 5.6 cubic foot per minute. Once you take it out of the box, I guess it comes in this little storage bag. Open up the storage bag. Got your hose. Have your gauge. User's manual, which you should read. You have your easy clip connectors, and of course the air compressor, which is a little bit heavier than I expected, but good size. Here's your little adapters for your hose. Compressor is about 16 inches long. I guess height-wise, you're looking at roughly 10 inches. And width, I guess it's gonna be anywhere from 6 to 7 inches wide. It is a little bigger than I expected, and it is a little heavier than I expected, but it should do the job for the price. I guess it's about 20 pounds, but for 120, 130 price range, can't beat it.